Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for February 19th through the 25th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. The cover looks like this. It's folded weird to keep it even. But for this week, I'm using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. I believe it's called Kitties and Strawberries, but it literally just says cats and strawberries on it. So, felt good for this kind of like pink red time in February. Because of the setup of this kit, there are a few extras that I need to go with. So my plan, there should be enough space to put both the skinny washi and this wider bottom washi down on the bottom. So that's the plan for that. So I did pull out this very skinny washi that just has stripes on it in pink and white from Amazon. I'm gonna use that along the top here. And then I pulled out a few leftover / sampler bits. This is a sampler that I cut in half so it would fit in my planner better, or in my like stash better. And then this is some leftovers from the Kate kit from Sarah Elizabeth Prints. My plan is to use just this hot pink color. I think that's gonna go. It's not strictly in the set, like in the kit, but I think that's gonna go really well once I actually get to it. And I'll probably use the little things and then also this set of headers. And then this sampler here, the pink and the mint green both go really well. So I plan to kind of use a bunch of both of that stuff in the week. So I think that's gonna be the plan. So I think I just need the glitter header parts. So I'm gonna stick these, I think the hot pink in the middle and then this along the bottom. So I'm gonna stick down all the headers, and then I did pull out the Pilot super fine tip kind of brush pen-ish situation. So that I can write in the headers. I used this pen just a couple weeks ago, but I feel like with the red in it, I think it's gonna work out well. So I'm gonna do all of those things, and then I will come back so we can do the interesting bits. Okay, here's where we're at so far, and I think it's looking pretty cute. I decided to write the days across and put the numbers above it just to kind of mix things up a little bit. All right, so I have 7 full boxes, and then I just have something that I'm gonna need to fill in. We're gonna figure that part out probably in the future, to be honest. I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use, I think this box. Let's use this one actually, if I can get any of these to peel up. I have a new slice tool that should be in the mail literally today. So hopefully that will make all of this go a lot better. Honestly, if I had more patience, I would have just waited for it and filmed later, but I don't. So here we are. I'm gonna just fill this in, and then I'm gonna put something in this box later. I don't know what I want to do, but we'll figure that out at some point in the future. There are 2 pink boxes. So what I plan to do is I think I'm going to do it as middle, maybe bottom, middle, top, middle, bottom, middle, top. Yeah, I think so. Not perfect, but I think that'll work out. Okay. So I'm going to stick this guy on here. And then the other one, so bottom, middle, top, middle, bottom, middle, top. The other one here on Saturday. And then this one I feel like most has like an image. So bottom, middle, top. Yeah. So I'm going to stick that one on Thursday here in the middle. And then let's see. I'm just going to kind of more or less randomly fill in the rest. All right, there we go. Okay, that looks pretty cute actually. Perfect. Okay, so for the sidebar, I'm just gonna start out with a glitter header. There we go. And then I did pull out these leftovers. I think these are from Lovely Planner blog. So that's my plan to use. I think I'm gonna leave little bits of gaps today. There we go. And then of course I didn't grab anything. If I can pull out my Instagram. These are from Piper Paper Company. She's closed at this point, but she was doing Jessica Aaron's design for a while. That's also gone, I think. This mint doesn't quite match, but I feel like it goes with the vibes, so we're gonna put that in. Right there. And then somewhere I had another header. Lots of different pinks here, but I think that's gonna be fine. There we go. And then I do have this guy. Which has 7 boxes. So I can pull out this one, and I'm just gonna put in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And that'll be for my dinners. And then I have this space left down here at the bottom. I actually think I can fit another box down there. So I think maybe I'll do this guy. And I will figure out what I want to put inside box later. We'll see how that goes. But that's where we're at. Okay. I still have 3 full boxes. I will fill these in, probably treating them like checklist space at some point in the future. Not right now. It'll be fine. So in my effort to totally be unprepared, I did not pick what I wanted to use for my work stickers this week. Maybe we'll use these desks. So these are from Creative Cavern Studio. And I have quite a few. So let's go with this. So stick in a work guy on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Nothing else is really happening this week. So that's kind of the big thing. And then Thursday, and then am I pulling the hot pink? Sure. Okay. Put these back in here before I lose them. There we go. That's work covered, done, good to go. Excellent. Love it. I think I'm going to use, I know they're TVs, but I feel like this might be kind of cute. So I'm going to use these little things for my plan with me here, and then whatever my video is on Thursday, I'll have that as well. Tuesday, the big thing is in the evening, we have curling. Somewhere I have things for that. Okay. So these are from the Prairie Planner. I have not ordered in a long time. So maybe next season I'm gonna need more. We'll see how that goes. Okay. I think for that, I'm gonna pull in a couple of these guys. That seems cute. So I'm gonna stick, it's a late game on Tuesday, so definitely not anything major happening after that. But we're gonna put that in. I think I'm gonna call that good. Wednesday, literally nothing is happening. Just work, obviously. Thursday, I've got work. That's not totally straight, but I'm just gonna leave it. Friday. And then Friday, I need to put in this little thing for whatever my video is. Honestly, cannot remember. Maybe my book bujo? You'll know before you see this video, so you'll know what it is. Otherwise, on Thursday, again, a lot of work. Friday and Saturday, I don't know anything that's happening. And then Sunday, we have curling. We don't curl that late, so other things could come up after. But I'm just gonna put it at the end because it's like the last, major thing of the day. So I think we're gonna call that good. So I think this is where we're at with the pre-planning, and I think it's looking really cute. We have a couple of little things. We have like a coffee cup, pamper yourself. I think I could use this little cart for planning if I wanted. This page I think I'm done with. This page I've got a half box, this quarter box, a couple of checklists I could use. And then I have, oops, sorry, that's holding my light up. And then I still have these 3 boxes. So a pretty good amount of stuff that I can use to kind of fill in the rest of the week. But that's all I have for now. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. Please excuse the lighting. It's just extremely sunny today. So in terms of things that I had left, I did use up, I have a bunch of scrippy scraps. I did use up everything in the kit, so I can just get rid of this page, which is great. I did have the expected amount left over in these couple of kit pieces I had left. And then also the expected amount left over in this sampler where I just really have the orange and purple stuff left. So hopefully I will find a use for that stuff as well. In terms of things that we'll talk through, if I don't mention it, it did come from the kit from Pretty Planner Printables. The pen along the top is a Pilot pen. This skinny washi is from Amazon. And then these glitter headers are from Sarah Elizabeth Prints. Going on the side, both of these pieces are leftovers from a lovely planner blog kit. This is a Piper Paper Company or Jessica Aaron Designs setup. And then this sticker here and this 3 strawberries are from a Happy Planner seasonal book. I just added those so we'd have something cute there. All these little desks are from Creative Cavern Studio. These guys are those Sarah Elizabeth Prints pieces. This is a scrap of leftover from the bottom washi that I just made into a flag. And then this is a really old leftover, I believe from Britannia Nicole. Over here, this is more Creative Cavern Studio. This is a leftover probably from Plannerology Studio. I've had it a long time. I think same with this one. And then more Sarah Elizabeth Prints, and then the match sticker is from the Prairie Planner. On this side, Creative Cavern Studio, Sarah Elizabeth Prints, that other little scrap of leftover. And then this is a Chasing Chelsea cat sticker. Over here, the Creative Cavern Studio, these are Sarah Elizabeth Prints, Wonton in a Million by Craftsmith. This is a leftover, I believe, from my Planner Blog UK. Creative Cavern Studio, these are Sarah Elizabeth Prints pieces, as is this one. This is a leftover that's so old, I have no idea where that one came from, honestly. This is from an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby, a Creative Cavern Studio sticker. The 2 boxes are from that Sarah Elizabeth Prints set, and then the other Prairie Planner match sticker. So I think it turned out really cute and fun, and I like that I had like pops of red and mint mixed into the pink. I think it turned out really cute. So that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know your highlight of the week down below, or if you don't have anything that you want to say, leave me a cat emoji just to say hi. I would love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I do my best to tag all the shops. I show you bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.